মাধ্যমিক ইংলিশ রাইটিং সাজেশন 2025 রাইটিং মাত্র 10টি রয়েছে। এই 10টি কমপ্লিট করতে পারলেই আশা করি এখান থেকে পেয়ে যাবে। তো চলো, 1 নম্বরে রয়েছে অরেঞ্জ জুস, 2 নম্বরে অমলেট, 3 নম্বরে টমেটো জেলি, 4 নম্বরে প্রিপারেশন অফ ওআরএস, 5 নম্বরে রয়েছে প্রিপারেশন অফ মাস্টার্ড অয়েল, 6 নম্বরে রয়েছে স্কুল ম্যাগাজিন, 7 নম্বরে রয়েছে স্যালাড, 8 নম্বরে ব্রেড, 9 নম্বরে রয়েছে ম্যাঙ্গো পিকেল, 10 নম্বরে পটেটো চিপস। তো আমি এই 10টি কমপ্লিট করে রেখেছি, তোমরা এগুলা স্ক্রিনশট অথবা খাতার মধ্যে তুলে রাখো। প্রথমে 1 নম্বরে রয়েছে অরেঞ্জ জুস। Orange juice is a very tasty drink. We can prepare it easily at home. It is prepared through a number of steps. At first, some oranges are brought from the market. Then they are sorted well and remove the rotten ones. Then the oranges are peeled. Next, the oranges are put in a juicer. Then juice is extracted. Thereafter, sugar and preservatives are added with it. Next, the juice is poured in bottles. Then the bottles are sealed. Now orange juice is ready to be sold. দুই নম্বরে রয়েছে অমলেট। Omelette is a kind most delicious food item. It is frequently cooked in nearby every kitchen. In a very simple process, omelette is prepared. At first, egg, chili, and onion are taken. Then the chili and onion are cut into pieces. Now the egg is broken and the egg yolk is taken in a cup. Next, salt and turmeric are mixed with the egg yolk. After that, the egg yolk, chili and onion pieces are mixed properly. Now a saucepan with little oil is taken and slightly heated on slow fire. Thereafter, the mixture is poured in heated saucepan. তিন নম্বরে রয়েছে টমেটো জেলি। Tomato jelly is a tasty food. Tomatoes are brought from market. Then the good and fresh tomatoes are sorted out and the bad ones are removed. The good tomatoes are cleaned. Then they are smashed well. Thus, juicer is extracted. The extract is next boiled for 30 minutes. Certain amount of sugar and chili powder are added to the hot juice. The jelly is thus prepared. It is cooled and bottled for future use. এরপরে প্রিপারেশন অফ ওআরএস। ওআরএস এর ফুল ফর্ম হচ্ছে অরেঞ্জ হাইড্রেশন সলিউশন। ওআরএস is essential for maintaining the balance of water in our body. It is also helpful for curing the patient of diarrhea. We can prepare it easily at home. Rice is prepared through the following steps. At first, hands are washed with clean water. Next, a pot, spoon, cup are cleaned well as the preparation tools. Now 1 liter of clean water is taken in a pot and boiled on an oven for few minutes. Then it is cooled for 15 minutes. After that, 5 tablespoons of sugar, half tablespoons of salt are added in the water. Next, 1 or 2 cups of lemon juice mixture is stirred well. Rice is stored in a clean bottle. At last, it is ready to eat. এরপরে রয়েছে মাস্টার্ড ওয়েল। The preparation of mustard oil involves a number of steps. At first, mustard seeds are collected from the market. Then, they are dried. After that, they are crushed in a machine. While crushing, a little water is added to it. After the required time, oil is extracted from the mustard seeds. At this stage, oil cakes are separated. Then the oil kept in containers. Next, the containers are sealed and ready for use and sale. এরপরে স্কুল ম্যাগাজিন। The publication of a school magazine goes a chain of process. At first, a notice is put up on the notice board. The manuscripts are collected from the students. Different articles on science, literature, sports, poem, etc. are thoroughly screened and edited by the senior teachers. Necessary addition and omissions are made. Then the little page and content page are written. Then all the manuscripts are sent to the press for printing. Thereafter, the proofs are ready. Necessary corrections are made to them. The proofs are sent to final printing. At last, the magazine is printed in the form of a book. The books are distributed among the students and teachers. এরপরে হচ্ছে স্যালাড। Salad is a kind of food that is eaten before taking heavy meal. Salad is naturally considered as a digestive food. It is a very simple process to make salad. To prepare it, some easy steps are followed one by one. At first, some fresh cucumbers, onions, carrots, chili and tomatoes are bought from market. Then the things are sorted properly. Next, the rotten ones are removed. Again, the good ones are washed well in fresh water. In the next step, the washed vegetables are cut into round pieces. Thereafter, salt and lemon juice are added with the cut pieces. Now all the ingredients are mixed properly in a pot. That salad preparation is completed. At last, it is ready for eating. এরপরে preparation of bread. Bread it's made up of 4 main ingredients. They are flour, salt, yeast, and water. At first, these are weighed and then mixed to prepare a dough. The dough is cut into 1 pound pieces. Then these are rolled and shaped. After that, they are baked for 20 or 30 minutes in our oven. Then they are sliced in different shapes. Next, these sliced loaves are wrapped on paper. Thus, the loaves are ready for market. এরপরে হচ্ছে ম্যাঙ্গো পিকেল। ম্যাঙ্গো পিকেল is a delicious food. We can easily prepare it at our homes. It is prepared through a number of steps. At first, some green mangoes are bought from market. Then they are sorted and the rotten ones rejected. After that, the good ones are cleaned and cut to pieces. Thereafter, these pieces are dried for some time in the sun. Meanwhile, major spice, salt, mustard oil, and chili are mixed up with the pieces of mangoes. Then, these mixed up pieces of mangoes are kept in a big pot in the sun for some days. Now mango pickle is ready and poured into jars for storage. এরপরে লাস্ট নম্বর প্রিপারেশন অফ পটাটো চিপস। Potato chips is a tasty snack. The preparation of potato chips is very easy, but it follows some steps. At first, potatoes are bought from market. Then they are sorted and cleaned very well. Next, the clean potatoes are cut into thin round pieces. Thereafter, these pieces are soaked into water mixed with some amount of baking soda for 2 or 3 hours. Now these pieces are taken out of water and are dried well. The next step is to fry these pieces well in oil. Then spices are sprinkled on this. Now they are ready to be eaten. Thank you for watching.